Hello, I'm Jonathan Comitz of the Comitz Law Firm. Today I want to briefly speak with you about the differences between full tort and limited tort coverage. As most of you know, when you purchase an automobile, you are required by the state of Pennsylvania to insure that vehicle. And when you're filling out your insurance forms, you have the option between choosing limited tort or full tort coverage. Well, what does that mean in terms of the practical effect of that selection? Well, if you choose limited tort, you'll likely get a lower premium, which we all know in these economic conditions is a favorable result. But be very wary of that choice. By choosing limited tort, you are really restricting, in other words, limiting your ability to recover for non-economic damages in the event that you are injured in a motor vehicle accident. What are non-economic damages? Those are damages that are associated with injuries to your neck, back, arms, legs, what we call soft tissue injuries, injuries that may only last for a period of time, such as 6 months or a year, and then ultimately go away. So it's very important that you do not select limited tort coverage. What you want is full tort coverage. Full tort coverage gives you the option of recovering benefits in the event that you are injured in an automobile accident. That option will then solely be at your discretion. So if you suffer a neck injury, for example, that may only last a year, you're entitled under the law in Pennsylvania to be compensated for those injuries. If you have the full tort selection coverage, you are permitted to file a lawsuit or pursue a claim to recover those money damages. I can assure you that nothing is worse than having a victim walk in my door and tell me about the negligence of a defendant and how they were injured in an accident. But because their injuries don't meet a certain threshold, they're precluded from being compensated for that claim because of their limited tort selection. So what I would encourage all of you to do, especially as we begin another year here in 2013, is to contact your insurance agents for an insurance review and make sure that you have full tort coverage selection. Although the premium may be a little bit more than that limited tort selection, I can assure you the benefits will outweigh paying those premiums over time if you are ever injured. Obviously, if you have any questions, please give us a call here at the Comitz Law Firm at 570-901-1235, and we'd be happy to answer and address any of those concerns that you may have with respect to the insurance coverage. So remember, 2013, full tort coverage.